you like, you can just go right to our website. The link's in the description where you can buy this upgraded aftermarket fan for the day refrigerators. If not, watch the video and we'll explain how to change it out and the background on this fan. So to start with, this is an aftermarket motor that we developed. It's actually higher quality than the OEM. The reason why the OEM ones fell often is because they were not water resistant, so water got into them and ruined the fan. The fans that we use are actually designed for the humid environments of refrigerators and freezers, so they should last a long time. We've sold quite a few of these with no issues. Our fan doesn't include the shroud and the blades. You're going to reuse your old ones, and here's how it goes. First thing you do is just take off the fan blade. Then you're going to flip it over and just remove the two Phillips screws. Remove the retaining bracket, remove the old motor fan, remove the two spacing grommets, insert the new fan, which is in the buy link below, of course. Replace the grommets, put the fan back in the bracket, put the retaining bracket back on. Then you're going to screw in the two Phillips screws. Then you're going to replace and use your old fan, and that's it. You can now look forward to many years of cooling on this refrigerator without a relapse of the fan going bad. 1 year warranty. Please check out our website to buy the fan today.